Hey guys, what's up? This is Nate here back with another iOS 6 video for you guys. In this one we're going to be taking a look at the changes that Apple has made to the App Store, the iTunes Store, and the iBooks Store. So let's start off with the App Store. Now Apple has made two universal changes among all three of these apps. The first is they have changed the color scheme, so now you'll see a black menu bar up here at the top, and also the tabs down here will also be a black color, and depending on which tab you have selected, that one will be highlighted in blue. And the second change that Apple has made among all three of these apps is new horizontal scrolling. So when you go to view the new apps here that Apple has made available on this page, you will now be scrolling horizontally instead of usually in iOS 5 you'd be scrolling vertically to see what new apps there were. And the reason Apple is doing this is just to take it to optimize the space that is available here on the screen to give more app developers exposure in the App Store. Also, then they've added the categories menu up here. If you select that, you'll be able to find the type of category for the app that you're looking for. And then if we switch over to the top charts menu here, you're going to see that the categories icon is there as well. And you've still got your top paid, top free, and top grossing apps that you can view. There's also the Genius tab here, but this currently is not working in iOS 6. And then there's also the standard search menu. And then there's also updates, and here you'll be able to use your view your purchased apps that you've previously downloaded through the iCloud system. Now, a couple other changes that Apple has made in the iTunes Store that are really nice is the ability to open apps. So let's say you couldn't remember if you had already downloaded iBooks. Well, if you go ahead and search for it, you'll see here that it says open, and that means you already have it installed, and you can go ahead and open this application right here from the App Store. So that's nice. Another new feature that Apple has added is you no longer will be taken out of the App Store when you go to download an application. So let me go ahead and download this app. And you're going to notice here that I'm not taken out of the App Store back to the home screen to where the app is downloading. Instead, I can see the status of this application that is currently downloading right here in the App Store, and you can see that blue bar is starting to fill up as the app continues to download, and that lets me know the status of how much longer it will take until the app is fully installed. But this is nice because if you want to download more than one app, you can stay within the App Store instead of being taken out of it. Now, when this application is done downloading, Apple's added a new ribbon system. So you're going to see here, earlier I downloaded the iBooks application, and you're going to see it's got new right there. So that tells me that I recently downloaded that application, and that's just a nice tweak to help differentiate the apps that you've just installed and the ones that you've already had installed. Next, we'll go ahead and take a look at the iTunes Store. And once again here you're going to notice the new black color scheme, and you've now have the genres here where the categories was in the App Store, so you can see what kind of types of genres of music are available and what's hot in those different genres. And you'll also see then once again the implementation of horizontal scrolling. You've got the new singles here, recent hits, top songs, top albums, and top music videos. Then we've also got the play history right here. So let's say you were in the iTunes application and you had recently viewed or listened to previews of some music or music videos. You could view those right in here. So if you wanted to come back and purchase them later, you'd be able to do that. And you can also clear the list when it becomes full, or if you want to remove items, you can do that. Then we've also got the Movies tab right here, once again with genres and the playback history, the horizontal scrolling, and here Apple's removed of the white color completely, so you'll see with music there is that white background. Then with movies it's completely black, so I really like that new look there that Apple's added. And then you've also got TV shows, same thing here, genres, the playback history, and the black color scheme. And then you've got the search menu right here to search for movies, and then under more you'll have ping, tones here, so you'll be able to purchase ringtones right through here. We'll let that load up, and you've got the new ringtones, alert tones that you can view right there. And if you head back, you'll be able to get your purchased and downloaded music right here as well. So that is the iTunes Store. Last but not least, then we'll go ahead and take a look at iBooks, and we'll open up the store. Once again, you've got that black color scheme, and you'll have categories for the different types of books that they have available. You can see that there. And then the horizontal scrolling. And then with the charts, I really like what Apple's done here. They have top charts and New York Times top charts, but I don't know if Apple just hasn't made this quite ready yet in this developer preview, but I haven't been able to get anything to load up in here. Then you've got browse, so you can view the top paid authors and the top free authors, and if you select an author, you'll be able to see what books they have available. and then you've also got your search option here, and you can also view your purchased history. So this has been a first look at the changes that Apple has made to the App Store, the iTunes Store, and the iBooks Store in iOS 6, which will be made available to the public this fall. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to see more iOS 6 videos in the future, and I will see you guys later.